Hello and welcome to the next tutorial on electric current. In this tutorial we are going to have a small question and answer session which will help you to verify how much you have understood so far from whatever we have discussed. So I will be discussing about multiple questions and I will read those questions and you can read them in the screen, and what you can do is you can write down the answers in your answer sheet. In the next tutorial, I am going to explain the answers. My first question, coulomb per second is called, and you have to write your answer. So what is coulomb per second? That means you have to tell what is the unit expressed by coulomb per second. Flow of charge is called. What is flow of charge called? What actually travels through a wire when we switch on the light? What constitute electric current in a metal wire? What constitute electric current in an electrolyte? In which direction does conventional current flow in an electric circuit? Which of the two shows the correct relationship between electrical units? First one, 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb per second, or 1 coulomb equal to 1 ampere per second. What is the unit of electric current? That means you have to mention the SI unit. 1 ampere equal to how many milliamperes and how many microamperes? Ammeter is connected in what kind of connection it is, series or parallel, and voltmeter is connected in what kind of connection it is, series or parallel. So you have to fill in these two blanks here. Next question I will explain through a diagram. The first one, what this symbol represent? Number 2, what this symbol represent? Number 3, what this symbol represent? Next one is a small problem. If 20 coulomb of charge pass a point in a circuit in 1 second, what amount of current is flowing? Next question, a current of 4 ampere flows around a circuit for 10 seconds. How much charge flows past a point in the circuit in this time? Next question, what is the current in a circuit if the charge passing each point is 20 coulomb in 40 seconds? Next question, you have to fill in blanks here. A current is a flow of one blank, you have to fill in this blank, through a blank electric circuit. Next one, current is measured in blank using an blank placed in dash a circuit. So you stop the video, you go back and forth, you write all the answers, every question by question, and then in the next tutorial when I will be discussing the solution, you verify your answers with my answers, and you can be rest assured that how much you have learned so far.